Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm at our newest listing at 91 Brandywine Lane in Suffield, Connecticut. This is a gorgeous condo, and you're not going to see another one like it. Come on in and take a look around. It's got a very modern appeal. They've redone all the flooring. There's hardwood down and up on both levels, and it's 4-inch prefabbed hardwood floors, which is wonderful. The kitchen is awesome. They've redone this kitchen. It has soft close extensions. It is beautiful granite. I just love the tiled backsplash with the accent and tons of cabinet space. It leads to a very private patio, and it's surrounded by trees. It is a pet-friendly community. There are 2 large bedrooms with very good closet space. This is an end unit for your main bathroom. Double sinks, which is wonderful. Beautiful mirrors, the tub's been done, the flooring's been done, everything's been gone through. It has a finished lower level. There is a great family room down there. Extra space if you want to have an office. You have your laundry in this unit. And it's just really a nice complex. Hurry, you don't want to miss this one.